touch you right. Yeah, that's Niecy right there. She rapping. Hey. Hey. What they say? I know what to do with it. I know what to do. This is Tracy right here about to get in. Now, I know what to do with it. Come on now, go hit it in the middle. Let's get this shit cracking. What you wanna? Hey, about to break that shit down. Hey, about to break that shit down. When the beat come back, I'ma let y'all niggas know what I know what to do with it. Listen. Now that beat gonna come back. Uh, Here we go again now. Nigga want you to beat it up. Nigga want you eat it up. Nigga want you slip it up. Nigga want you smack it up. Nigga want you tear it up. Nigga want you rip it up. I like the way that you're doing it. I like the way that you're hitting it. Now go ahead, rap the rap. Now go ahead, rap this rap. Now take the tracks, nigga, rip 'em, nigga, flip it, nigga, like the way you're doing it, like the way you're doing it, like the way you're screwing it, like the way you're doing it. Oh, my name is Tracy, real nasty, real freaky, got the business with it. I'm about to ride your dick with it. I'm about to hit that shit with it. Spit, gobble, swallow, nobble, nigga, what you wanna do? I know you like the way I'm getting this shit in, nigga, about to do it, nigga, what you wanna do? I'm your... Hey, I used to get. Don't give a fuck cause the nigga hella raw. Don't give a fuck cause the nigga hella long. Yes, he is smoking weed and chillin' with these niggas. Don't give a fuck cause they all about the figure. And I'm about to figure all about the change. Don't give a fuck cause fucking niggas.